Hey friends, Bobcat here in the art mines, and there's no video this weekend. Let me show you why. Oh, it gets better. Well, yeah, just keeps going. That used to be a fig tree. I asked them to save it. They didn't. Yep. Just a big old trench right through my yard. It's where water and sewer will punch through the yard, or through the foundation. Trying not to fall into dangerous things, but yeah, just keeps going. Keeps going. Keeps going. Okay. I have my own moat. Castle drawbridge. Keeps going. Over there, somewhere, is where the sewer comes out. So yeah, this is a traumatic nightmare. Long story short, the sewer was nowhere where they expected it to be. The water supply had a rupture and was leaking, so the water shut off. So I'm not even staying at home right now. I'm staying at a nearby hotel. Yeah, so no video this week. We'll see about next week when next week gets here. Wish you all the best of luck, and treat your contractors nicely. Cheers.